Hello everyone. Under technical analysis, we are done with the charting. In today's class, we are going to speak about theories. The main theory which speaks about trends is Dow theory. So what is Dow theory? Before going for the Dow theory, let me go for the introduction and historical perspective. The Dow theory on stock price movement is a form of technical analysis that includes some aspects of the sector rotation. So here the sector rotation is nothing but the trends. How Dow theory was made? Dow theory was formulated from the series of Wall Street Journal editorials authorized by Charles H. Dow. He started this particular theory from 1900 and until his death 1902. In these 2 years, the Dow theory is made, and after his death also, his students and his supporters are developed this particular theory. What is Dow theory? These editorials reflected Dow's belief on how the stock market behaved and how the market could be used to measure the health of the business environment. Who made the Dow theory? Due to his death, Dow never published his complete theory on the markets, but several followers and associates have published works that have expanded on the editorials. Dow himself is not published this particular theory, and he is not called this theory as Dow theory. And even at the beginning, this study is just on the basis of Dow Jones Industrial Index, but afterwards this is applicable for the stock market. Some of the most important contributions of the Dow theory were William P. Hamilton's The Stock Market Barometer, his book it is, Robert Rias, The Dow Theory, 1932, E. George Paffer's How I Helped More Than 10,000 Investors to Profit in Stock Market, that is in 1960, and Richard Russell's. Okay, so these all members are contributed for the Dow theory. Dow first used his theory to create the Dow Jones Industrial Index, as I said, and the Dow Jones Rail Index. Now it is called as the Transportation Index, which were originally compiled by Dow for the Wall Street Journal. So for the journal purpose, he is done this particular theory. Now this is widely used in the stock market analysis. Okay, each and every speculators are going to check the trend. Dow himself not used the Dow theory name, and he is not presented his theory anywhere due to his death. And this theory is further developed afterwards only. Dow created these indexes because he felt they were an accurate reflection of the business conditions within the economy, because they covered two major economic segments, one industrial and second one transportation. While these indexes have changed over the last 100 years, the theory is still applies to the current market indexes. So this theory is almost 120 years old right now, but still this theory is applicable, still it is useful. The speculators, the investors, and the mutual fund companies, everyone are using this particular theory. Dow believed that the stock market as a whole was a reliable measure of overall business conditions within the economy. By analyzing the overall market, one could accurately gauge those conditions and identify the directions of the major market trends and the likely directions of individual stocks. So, we can apply this particular theory for the individual stocks to even for the particular market. By seeing the market movements, we can identify the trends, and on the basis of the trends, we can take our decisions to invest or not in that particular market, in that particular industry, and in that particular company. Well, here is 6 basic tenets of Dow theory where we are going to study each and every one in detail. First one, the market has three movements. The market tends to have three phases. The stock market discounts all news. Stock market averages must confirm each other. Trends are confirmed by volume, and trends exist until definitive signals prove that they have ended. Okay. So here the first two things are somewhere related to the trade cycle. So before the next class, you need to study the trade cycle once again. So that's it for today's class. In coming classes, we are going to study these 6 points one by one.